Make a magic ring, then insert the hook inside, yarn over, pull through and chain 1. Make 15 double crochet inside the magic ring. Once you get all 15 double crochet inside the magic ring, just try to pull that yarn under a little bit, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet stitch to join. Chain 5. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook, half double crochet into the next chain, double crochet into the next chain, triple double crochet into the last chain, whereby you have to yarn over twice. Skip 2 stitches, then slip stitch into the third stitch. Chain 5. Chain 5 and just repeat everything you have done for the previous star tail. And just repeat the same process until you have a total of 5 star tails. To complete the last star tail, you have to slip stitch into the first stitch you have started with. Chain 1 to close and you can cut off the yarn because next you are going to switch to a different yarn color. Make a slip knot or just fold the yarn like I did. Slip stitch into the back loop of one of the star tail, but only using back loops. Chain 1 to secure. Then make a single crochet back into that same stitch. Half double crochet into the next, double crochet into the next, extended double crochet into the next, then triple double crochet into the last stitches as well as the first stitch for the next star tail. For the extended double crochet, instead of pulling the first 2 loops, first just pull through the first loop, then pull through the next 2 loops and just complete the left 2 loops on the hook. Make triple double crochet the last 2 stitches together. Actually, the last stitch for the first start tail you have started with and the first stitch for the next start tail. But remember to stick to only back loops. Make extended double crochet, half double crochet all the way up in each stitch. Once you made half double crochet into the last stitch for the tip of the star, then move it to the other side of the start tail by starting off with a single crochet, half double crochet, extended double crochet, then triple double crochet for the last stitches, 2 together, and just continue doing that all the way up and down until you are fully done with this row all round. At the end, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet you have started with to secure your work. Chain 1, but do not cut off the yarn. Half double crochet into that same stitch. Single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Half double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, extended double crochet into the next stitch, then triple double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2, then triple double crochet back into the same stitch to create your first corner. Extended double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, then thread single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Half double crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, extended double crochet into the next stitch, triple double crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, triple double crochet back into the same stitch to create your second corner. And just repeat the same process until you have a total of 4 corners. Slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet you have started with to join, then you can cut off the yarn. Once you slip stitch, don't forget to chain one to secure your work before you cut off the yarn.